Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is the 36th anniversary of Bleach, and what better way of celebrating that than reviewing a vintage Univox Hi-Flier Phase 3. I'll get some close-up footage of this guitar so you can see all the controls and everything about it, and I'll do the sound demo for you guys. Let's get right into it. First are these two vintage pickups in the three-way selector switch. That's the neck, that's for both, and that's the bridge. And then here's the volume and the tone knob, and they are also glassy knobs like on the Phase 4 Eastwood model that I have. The body is very thin, and here is the neck. It has a rosewood fingerboard, and then here is the nice headstock for you guys. And here's the back, where it has the serial number on it and the U on the back plate. Alright, let's get right into the sound demo.
thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you like what you saw today. And happy Father's Day to any fathers who are watching today's video. I'm grateful for my father because he let me get this guitar along with my mom. So thank you guys very much. And this guitar is very beautiful, very good condition, very good sounding pickups, very playable neck. The neck is very comfortable. And yeah, this is now my favorite guitar of all time. I can see why Kurt Cobain favored them during the Bleach tour. And my Instagram will be in the description, so make sure you follow that if you like what you see here on YouTube. And again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.